Hello and welcome to our channel. We hope you enjoy this video. Today we are going to discuss cleaning those pesky baseboards. Prior to finding this product, we felt like our baseboards never looked truly great. We tried all the typical hacks you see on the internet. I am sure you have all seen them on TikToks and other YouTube videos. Some of these methods are simple: magic eraser, dryer sheets, brooms, wet wipes and even socks. Others were more labor-intensive, brushing, then scrubbing and then finally getting into the tiny crevices with cotton swabs. These are all good methods in some regards, but the results vary. For us, the best and easiest way to clean our baseboards was with the Scrub Daddy Damp Duster. This thing was a game changer for us. You simply get the sponge damp and wipe away all the dust and dirt that have accumulated on your baseboards. After you are done, run it under some water to rinse away all the dirt and dust, let it dry and use it again and again. Have you tried this product before? If so, leave a comment and let us know what you thought of it. Even better is the damp duster works great on blinds, vents, railings, mirrors and much more. All you have to do is get the sponge damp prior to use and watch everything get cleaned in a few quick wipes. At our home, we bought a few so the kids can also use them when helping out around the house or even in their own bedroom. If you are not familiar with Scrub Daddy products, they have many more that will help you save time and will change the way you think about some of the cleaning chores around the house. We really like the ones made for cleaning dishes as well as barbecue grills. We would like to thank you for watching our video and hope you give the Scrub Daddy Damp Duster a try. We are not sponsored by them at all, we just love their products that much. If you liked this video, please give us a like and subscribe for more videos like this.